Easiest way for beginners to make money online using AI? That is one of the most common questions I get asked.
There's a guy who watched other people's videos for fun after work.
Method 1, AI clipping. This is all about getting paid to chop up other people's long-form videos into short clips. And you can use AI to do all of the work for you.
Then he found out people were getting paid to do almost the same thing. He didn't need a camera or a face on screen. He just needed a laptop and a boring evening.
You see, big creators have hours of podcasts, YouTube videos, and live streams just sitting there. And they know that short clips, like the ones you might see on TikTok or Instagram, are the easiest way to reach new fans. But you probably didn't realize that these creators will happily pay you.
He started that week and hit the wall most beginners hit.
Method 2, AI ghostwriting. This involves using AI tools to write social media posts, newsletters, and advertising for businesses, creators, or entrepreneurs.
He wasn't lazy. He just never had a free hour to write anything. She realized his empty page was actually an open job.
They know they should be posting on LinkedIn, sending out newsletters and putting out content because that's where their next customers are. But they have zero time to write any of it, so they pay a ghostwriter to do it for them. Now, you might be wondering, why wouldn't they just use ChatGPT and get the job?
But there's one small thing that decides who gets hired, and it isn't writing.
Method 3, AI websites. This involves building websites for businesses using AI with no coding required. The real money is in creating a specific type of website called a landing page.
The colors were perfect. The pages were neat. It just never asked anyone to do anything.
This is a one-page website designed to sell one thing. They're typically used by course creators, coaches, agencies, or software companies. These businesses create content and run ads and then push their audience to the landing page.
One page fixed it, and that page is where the real work hides.
Agents. This is all about setting up AI agents for businesses. This is one of the hottest side hustles right now. AI agents are like little digital employees that handle a specific job for a business automatically.
He isn't ignoring people. He's just busy with the person in front of him. Every missed ring is someone who quietly moved on.
The simplest one to set up is probably an AI receptionist, which answers their calls, books appointments, and chases up leads 24 hours a day. This is so valuable because small businesses typically miss over 50% of incoming calls every day.
This one takes the longest to learn, and that's exactly why it's worth watching.
Method 6. AI avatars. This is all about creating a virtual AI person that looks completely real but doesn't actually exist.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
In fact, I bet you've watched AI avatars online already without even realizing they weren't real people.
I watched it twice. I couldn't. Then I read the comments and nobody else could either.
Take this for example. It's an avatar that someone is using to sell their physical products, like the ones you can sell on Shopify. But this person is not real.
That feeling in your stomach right now? Keep it. You'll need it for the last one.
Method 7. AI app building. This is all about building real apps and software without writing a single line of code and then selling them. Custom software used to cost businesses tens of thousands to produce.
He came back last month and built something in an afternoon. Nothing about him changed. The wall he was climbing just got shorter.
But now you simply describe the app you want to create and the AI writes the code while you watch it appear on screen. There are two ways to get paid here. You can build apps for businesses and charge per project, or you can launch your own app and charge a small monthly.
6 ways in, and the pattern is clear. The tools got easy, so the only thing left is showing up. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.